2019 became our own company, our own employees, on salary, all of them. I mean, we started at the end of 2018, but we became a larger team. And then we decided to go artificial intelligence, machine learning, and one more thing that happened in the summer 2019, just about a year ago. We realized that no matter what features or applications we included in the ONPASSIVE digital marketing up until that point, we still will have to go to other software, services, applications that would have to buy to be able to complete our business cycle as ONPASSIVE or any other business. So we thought it would be more impactful and more complete if we also have those products and pieces of any business done by us and build them from the ground up, from scratch, to have a complete digital solution, not only marketing. So marketing was 2018. 2019, AI, ML, and complete internet solution and digital marketing and digital solutions. So it's for businesses, for anything. So it becomes the only place that if you are in it, you don't need any other elements outside ONPASSIVE. That is the evolution of ONPASSIVE. That's a major transformation. We went from a market cap would have been 100, 200, 300 million if we got the whole market of the digital marketing, to where we are today, 4.66, okay, or 4.7 billion. That's 4,700 million users that go online. Every one of them has a reason or two or more to be an ONPASSIVE. We certainly don't claim that they're all going to be there, but we know one thing for a fact. We have 280,000 of them said, yes, I love it. I want to be in. Congratulations, you're one of them as a founder. And it can only multiply as you learn more and more of what we've developed. And as the world is going to find out what we have. What we have is proprietary products and technologies haven't been done before, period. Everything is clean, everything is authentic, genuine, and everything is scalable, everything is fair, and the cost is no comparison to anything else. It's a priceless value, super high value for a minimal cost. That's why the potential and the demand on ONPASSIVE could be huge, just because of the facts. So we are in 2020. The beginning of the year began with the pandemic, as you know. Been a rough year, and I'm sorry for all the suffering that some people have to go through, and certainly it wasn't that easy. But thankfully, we are still here, and we have this hope ahead. Just a matter of time that we're going to have this magnificent digital solution that will impact our life, no doubt about that. Financially, communications will save us a lot of time, hassle, frustration, cost, will save us money. It's a great thing to be on. And today, or just to kind of like say where we are this year, we maxed out in Bangalore back in like spring. So we started to think where else we can expand, if it's a different country, a different state, all of that. So we have done our research and due diligence to come to a decision that Hyderabad is the city that we want to go to. It's a growing IT hub, second after Bangalore, which is, both are in South India, and two different states. Bangalore is in a state called Karnataka, if you are familiar with the map, and Hyderabad is Bengaluru, right? No, I'm sorry.
Telangana.
Telangana.
Telangana, yeah. So they speak Telugu or something?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we moved, or we opened a new location in High Tech City in Telangana. We're going to learn that, okay? And the city is called Hyderabad. And quickly, in a matter of 2 months, we maxed out the building, the facility that we rented. So we decided to have a more reliable solution, that we can have a larger amount of techies and professionals. We estimated that we will need no less than 1,000 to be on this project, to be able to maintain it and continue to grow it. We are more than halfway in terms of that, but we have a large recruiting team now. We're at a high pace. So we have a good prediction that by the end of the year, we could max out the whole building. Right now, we just moved to a new building in High Tech City just weeks ago, and it's all exclusive to us. We're the only company in it, and it's 5 floors, okay? It's in the background where Greg is. That's the actual building, and we have 2 floors are occupied now. 2 are being remodeled, and we're gonna just swap once those 2 are done. Then they go. So the whole building will be redone. I will show you some pictures. Still undergoing. Speaking of Success Road is always under construction. That's a good example of that. So you'll be talking, or we are like make conferences, and you hear the banging, the drilling, all of that. It's noisy, it's loud, but that's a part of the process. Now we are at a state where we will also downsize the Bangalore office, just to be fully transparent with you, okay? Transparent. Because we have seen better and bigger growth in Hyderabad, so we decided we're going to focus more on there. We're finding more talent there, more experience, more commitment. It's a business decision. It's very obvious to us. Our own experience, we can tell you that it's working really good for us in Hyderabad. So it makes sense that we wind down. We are not closing Bangalore. Maybe in the future, long term, we will probably close it or keep it small, minimal. But this weekend, we have another group of our teams are relocating from Bangalore to Hyderabad, okay? And we still have the facility that we rent, which is called 91 Springboard, as you know. That's a office space company. We mentioned that before. That will continue. So we're going to have some teams, and we'll have it as a backup as well for some time, until, let's say, the pandemic hopefully is over, and the urgency is away. This is where we are today. We have a 5 floors building completely for us. It's being equipped and wired for us. Top technology, security. Hundreds of employees are already there full-time, super professional. I couldn't be more proud or happy or honored to have found a different or better team. I'm very pleased with the quality of them. Of course, you're going to get some stories here and there, you know, some random guys, and you know, that's natural. With number, it will come. We deal with it. Dramas everywhere, but the vast majority, we've got a very, very strong team, and they're capable of delivering any wish, any idea that we have as founders, business partners here to implement. So from now on, as a founder of ONPASSIVE, you're able to register before the public market. ONPASSIVE is in the final stages of being complete. Many products are 100% done. Most products are in the final stages. A few products may be halfway or need some weeks, but nothing severe. So we're really that close. We're in the smallest portion, but remember, we have the largest team now in reference to the last year and a half. So we're moving at a bigger speed. Things are closing very well now, higher quality. And anytime you have an idea or you have a good suggestion, okay, that not works for you, obviously, please, that works for the public, for the customer of ONPASSIVE, for the founders, anything that is fair and useful, please go ahead and suggest it. We will consider that. If it makes sense, we will implement it. This is a huge privilege for all of us. Our team is here. They are available. They stay up very late and they go back to work in the morning on Friday. They will be happy to come and talk if you want to ask some questions. Managers, directors, technical leads, okay, product managers, delivery managers, or type of professionals, they are going to be invited. If you want to, they will speak to you directly here. We have real people, and they are here, and they get paid full-time salary just to serve you and work on your business and my business. So I hope that makes you feel powerful and like a hero, that you have all this massive team and at your service. So once